guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing our final April dupes video for 2022. It's been a wild ride. Just kidding. If you're unfamiliar with my dupe series, all April long we do dupes because a long time ago I thought April Fool's April dupes, how cute. If you've missed any of the episodes, if you will, I do have a playlist on my channel. You can go check it out. I'll try to link it up here. But we got lots of good dupes in that playlist, stemming from like way back when, all until now. Today's dupe is the P.Louise eye base with the Beauty Creations color eye base. So I have quite a few of these. I have in my stash of P.Louise bases yellow, black, purple. I also have peach and like a skin tone one. I recently purchased the Beauty Creations yellow, purple, and black so that we could face these off together in today's dupes. Lots of companies have like these eye bases now that P.Louise has been out with them for a while. I'm pretty sure that like P.Louise was a little bit more like the OG in terms of like eye bases and things like that. But yeah. These caught my eye as being very similar, so I thought that we would check them out. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of it. We'll start with P.Louise. P.Louise has a few different types of eye bases. Like I said, they have like skin tone ones, which is their rumor base. This is kind of like the original. This retails for $14 for 15 milliliters, or you can get a 30 milliliter one, so double the size, for $24. They also have the colored eye bases, which are these bad boys right here. These retail for $14. They are 15 milliliters or 0.504 fluid ounces. There are 21 shades of these, ranging from pastels to brights all over. They also have 4 metallic shades, which are $18. However, those are on sale for $4 right now, so they might be being discontinued. They also have something completely different from these eye bases called paints, and those are $19 for 15 grams. They come in 30 shades, or they have a skin tone line of paints, which is 12 shades for $19, 15 grams for those as well. I am not sure what the difference between the P.Louise eye bases and the P.Louise paints are. If someone knows the difference, please let me know in the comment section below. The descriptions and how you use both of them are very similar. So I'm not exactly sure. Maybe the paints are more to be meant to be used alone versus like as an eyeshadow base, so they have like more pigment. Again, it's unclear. But anyways, that's P.Louise. Moving on to Beauty Creations. I got, like I said, black, yellow, and purple. The black is in their Dare to Be Brights, and the purple and the yellow are in their Pastel Please collection. So their color range in their bright set, they have 12 different shades. These retail for $4. You get 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces, so they're the same size as the P.Louise base. In their pastel collection, there are 6 shades, again, $4 each for these as well. You can get the brights as a set, which is $44, or the pastels as a set for $23. What's really interesting and kind of nice about the Beauty Creations bases is that they have corresponding liners and gel pot liners that are available in bundles, like monochromatic bundles, or you can buy the gel liners separate for $3 or the gel liner pots for $3. Or you can mix and match. You can buy the liners and the eye bases and the pots all separately, a la carte, or you can buy them in bundles, or you can buy the whole sets. They also have PR package deals. That makes the difference between the P.Louise and the Beauty Creations about $10 to $15 depending on what size you're getting, what line you're getting, what type of product you're getting. It's a $10 to $15 savings. So first, before we try them on the eyes, I think I'm going to swatch the P.Louise and the Beauty Creations side by side so that we can kind of get an idea of what they look like without having any eyeshadow or anything on them before we put them on the eyes. I'll put P.Louise on this hand and I'll put Beauty Creations on this hand. Okay, so here they are side by side. This is the P.Louise, this is the Beauty Creations, and honestly, they have the exact same texture and color. This is honestly the closest dupe this year that we've had. I do feel like the Beauty Creations is maybe a little bit on the thicker side, just slightly, but this color match is insane, you guys. It is like unbelievably the exact same. I'm getting the exact same texture, the exact same feel to them, and again, the coloring is like the exact same. So $14 versus $4. I don't know. We're gonna try them out on my eyes. We're not gonna try all the colors out on my eyes. We're just gonna try like one or two, maybe the purple and the yellow. Before I do use these, I should note that both the Beauty Creations and the P.Louise can be used to cut the crease, prime the lid, carve the brow, brighten up your under eye, in the waterline, as a lip and body art, as a cream contour. These are not just eye bases. They can be used literally all over, just to let you know that these are actually a lot more versatile than just for eye bases. We are going to use the bases by themselves, but we are going to put a little bit of eyeshadow on top of them. I'm going to use the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette because this has a light purple and a light yellow, as well as some other corresponding colors that we can see how well these do on top of each other as well. If you're unfamiliar with my April dupes videos, we like to use these products side by side to see how they perform against each other, how they hold up, how they actually work, if they are dupes for each other. So we are going to use the P.Louise on this side, and we are going to use the Beauty Creations on this side, and we're going to try to create an eye look. I will talk a little bit about them as I am putting them on. I'm not thinking that we're going to do anything crazy, maybe just a little bit of like yellow to purple action. We'll see how that goes. For P.Louise, I'm going to talk about their colored eye base. It says, our P.Louise colored eye bases have been designed to inject flashes of color into your eye makeup in the simplest way. With vivid pigment in every shade, allow our colored eye bases to help your looks take center stage, helping to further intensify shadows to make them pop with added vibrancy and vividness. Formulated with a thick and creamy consistency, a seamless application, this P.Louise base is also a multi-use product, perfect for a variety of techniques. It can be used to cut the crease, prime the lid, carve the brow, brighten up your under eye, in the waterline, as lip and body art, as cream contour. It's time to enjoy the P.Louise hype. Beauty Creations did not have any little blurb on their website about the eye bases, but on the box it does say that they are multi-use primer enhancer for lip and body art, cut crease, cruelty-free, water-resistant, creamy and blendable, easy to use, shake well. Okay guys, so I tried to use similar brushes for each side of my face in eye base application as well as in eyeshadow application. I have not cleaned my makeup brushes for quite some time, so it was a little difficult. But you guys, do you even tell a difference? Can you even tell a difference? I am stunned. I honestly thought that the Beauty Creations was going to be a little bit more on like the liquid side. It is not. It is very creamy, very rich in pigment. It picked up the eyeshadow so lovely. And I mean, the P.Louise base, again, it's lovely as well. It picked up the eyeshadow again really, really well. I think the P.Louise fought against the creasing a little bit better. However, as someone who has hooded lids or a heavy lid situation, I am no stranger to creasing, so it does not bother me to have to like soften out the creases before I apply my eyeshadow. But you guys, I this dupe. I'm so glad we saved it for last. The best for last. Oh my gosh, you guys. Get on Beauty Creations level. I cannot believe this. This is so good. It's the same. Their texture was the same. Their color was the same. Their application was the same. How they grip eyeshadow is the same. They blend out beautifully. I can't tell a difference. Like, blind test, if I didn't tell you which one was P.Louise and which one was Beauty Creations, would you be able to tell? No, you wouldn't. And don't sit there saying, I would know. My God, you guys. This is a great dupe. All right, I'm gonna link all these products down in the description box below, the P.Louise as well as the Beauty Creations. What do you think, you guys? Do you think that Beauty Creations won out on this one? For a $10 savings, these are $14, these are $4. $4 for sure. I'm gonna go with a $4. I will link these down in the description box below. You let me know what you think in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.